Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, Lash Marketing Mentor. I help lash artists become lash marketers because marketing builds clientele. As you can see, we are about to do some shopping, and I am definitely a shopping girly. However, when it comes to shopping for lash supplies, I am really a shopping girly. Like, I love all things about lash extensions, especially when they are from The Lash Supply. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see that. I hope you can. TheLashSupply.com. Okay, we are here in person. Usually I do some orders online because you can save 10% and get free shipping with my discount code T10. That's TEE10. But today we are going in store because this location is close to my lash artist, and I just got my lashes filled post LashCon, and I need 2 items. I'm going in here for 2 items. I'm going in here for primer, and I'm going in here for adhesive because I'm down to 1 bottle of adhesive that I'm currently using, and I do not play that. We do not get caught slipping without an extra bottle of adhesive. You never know. Your adhesive may be cured one day that you walk in and get ready to do lashes. Your adhesive may just, get all gunky and nasty. It can sometimes do freak things, and we don't want to be in a position to where that was the only glue that we had and we can't do lashes, we can't make money, our clients are mad, they want to find another lash artist, and all of the things. So we are about to go in the Lash Supply. I'm going to show you guys my favorite products, all of the products that I use, products that I have used in the past, and that's going to be that. We going 2 things, okay? Like I said, I'm a shopping girly, and 2 can turn into 2,000 in a minute. So 2 things. All right, hello. So here are things that we stay away from as lash artists. We do not do strip lashes, and the reason why I encourage lash artists to not sell strip lashes as a retail item is because you are directly being your own competition. Like, why would I come to you for $100 plus lash extensions when you can just double, triple, quadruple the price of this, and then it still comes in cheaper? So yeah, no, we're not doing that. They also just released a new line of their own DIY lashes with adhesive and bonder and with tweezers. They did send me that in a PR box. I have not gotten around to using it because I get my lashes done, but I'm probably gonna pass it on to one of my friends so that they can try it out. If you are a lash artist and you are not able to afford lash extensions right now, because one day you will, I recommend going with the DIY lashes because they look more natural than a strip lash. So check those out, give them a try. Okay, now here are my favorite lashes in the whole wide world. These are the Lash Artist Premium Choice Collection lashes at thelashsupply.com. They come in 0.03 CCC and D curl, as well as 0.05 CCC and D curl, and then they have 0.07s in all of the curls as well. Now, the ones that I usually use are the 0.05s and the 0.03s. I am gonna start doing more wispy looks, and with the wispy looks you do need a heavier darker spike, so eventually I'll start investing in the 0.07 lashes for the spikes. But other than that, I use the 0.03 or 0.05 Premium Lash Artist Choice. Those lashes are super soft on the strip, they're super smooth, they come off really easy, and they fan out really good as well. Now, these are the lashes that I use. This is their regular collection that I used before the premium collection came out, and these were really good too. Just in comparison, I do like the premium choice lashes a little bit more because they fan out a little bit easier, and then the curls are actually different between the two. So this D curl, I noticed it was a little more relaxed, and this D curl was giving D curl, but both really great quality. As you can see, they go from 8 millimeters to 20 millimeters, and yeah, I think they actually go above 20 in the, oh no, this is just 20 as well. Okay, so that's that on that. We can go this way and look at some of the things. These are lash tray towels. I get these for my students when I do trainings. That way they can kind of keep up with their CC lashes and the different diameters. So it's 4 trays in there, and they get to hold on to those. Another one of my favorite items, baby, listen, if you are not using this bonder, you are probably not having the best retention that you could have for your clients. This bonder is amazing. I currently have a bottle and an extra bottle right now, so we don't need bonder today. Remember 2 things, adhesive and primer. Okay, so the Lash Concentrate Cleanser is also one of my favorites. This is what I use to create my clients' lash baths. You just pour the correct amount per the bottle in your lash bath bottle, add your water, shake it up, and you're ready to go. Glue rings. These glue rings are a little tight on my finger, so I order my glue rings from Amazon. But this little lash tray right here, I love it so much. They sent this in a PR box, and y'all know I love all the cute things, and so I was able to use this for my classic lashes when I do them. I also really like this tray. This was one of the trays I used to get for my students because you can put, you know, double lengths and curls on this tray on both sides. All right, let's find the adhesive. Okay, so they have a line of adhesives. Sky glue is a really popular glue, especially for beginners. That was the first glue that I used when I first started lashing. But once I found out about the Lash Supply, I went ahead and tried their glues out. And my favorite adhesive so far has been the Magic All Seasons adhesive. That's this red one right here. And as you can see, it is the professional choice. And very immediately after is the Flex Point 4.0 Master Glue. I love that glue. I have also tried the Tornado glue, but the viscosity just wasn't, you know, my favorite. So it's out of these 2 that I always go back and forth and get. They're $28 at the same price. I have one client whose retention is so much better with this glue. So this is the glue I'm kind of leaning toward and sticking to more. So we're gonna go with the Flex 4.0 glue today. Come on. Okay, they also have a wide range of colored lashes. Of course, all of the nice colors for Halloween and the fall season. My clients don't really wear color anymore, so I don't even buy the color, but they sell spikes as well. I would say buy your own spike. Make your own spikes. It'll save you money. This is really cool though. These are colored neon spikes. I might get these and try them. What are the lengths? 15mm C curl. I think I want to try these. Jeez, 2 things. That's what we're supposed to be doing. But it's the neon. We'll see, guys. Okay, I'm not going to be impulsive. He said 2 things, and we're going to stick to 2 things unless it's something that I absolutely need, because I just got back from LashCon, and I did kind of do the most on the merch. And I can make my own spike, even though that's cute. Oh, the color is so cute. We're not going to do that, though. Nobody's going to get color. Nobody wears color. My clients don't wear color. All right, so this is my favorite gel remover. It is easy to go on. It does not create a mess. I am a gel over cream remover girl. So these 2 are different. That's a cream. This is a gel. I like the gel because you get to control it and dispense it better, and it just creates less of a mess. It also doesn't leave like the white residue on the natural lashes after you've gotten it done or after you've gotten the remover out. Y'all, they have 1 primer left. Oh my god, we got lucky. So yeah, this is my primer, this is my glue. We're done shopping. These are replacement eyes for the mannequins. I love. Okay, now the camera is really playing on my girl's lashes right here. The eyes are not that dark in person, y'all. It's just the light reflecting. But these are the practice mannequins that I like to get for my trainer, my students. You can take the eyes out, replace them. They have the lashes are layered in here, so you get to really practice good stuff with them. So those are my go-tos for mannequins. This tweezer, the number 8, where is it? Bam, right there. This number 8 premium choice tweezer, that is my favorite tweezer ever from thelashsupply.com. For a minute, I didn't use their tweezers because they gave me a hard time when I was trying to create lash fans, but that was like back in 2021. I gave these a try because they were in one of my PR boxes that I received, and I've fallen in love with them. I have like 3-4 pair at this point, so number 8 premium choice, that's the one that you want to go with. They have other items like pre-made fans, spoolies, gel pads. They have things if you do waxing. So they have the wax heater, the wax beads, everything that you could possibly use everything that you could possibly need to perform a wax service. So you can definitely shop with them for those kind of items as well. They carry merch, so you have aprons, you have shirts. I actually have that shirt. I went down to headquarters to record a podcast with them back in April, and I'll be back in November. I'm so excited. So I did get that shirt, and then they have all these other shirts and cups and hats and things. Oh, here they are, shirts and cups and hats and things. Because I told y'all I'm a sucker for merch. I have this water bottle, I have that cup, and I also have this cute little bear fan right here. It came in a PR box. I don't really use it, but I use it for me personally, not for my clients. All right, and then let's talk about this macro lens. If you are having trouble getting well lit, close up, good photos and videos of your clients' lashes, this is something that you want to get. First of all, it magnifies the lash. It magnifies the lens so that you can see the lashes really clear. Like you can see anagens, catagens, telogens, all of that at the same time. And then this one also has a light on it, so that'll make sure that your videos and pictures are well lit when they are close up. This little mirror is super cute. Never seen this in here. I love it. Okay, so before I was hand making my own fans, I used pre-made fans, and my pre-mades did come from thelashsupply.com. Y'all, I've been using them for the last forever, and this is how the pre-mades come in different diameters. Diameters meaning like 5 lashes on a fan and up, and then they also have them in different weight diameters and lengths. So that is that on that. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything on my favorite okay, lint-free wipes. You need these for your glue nozzles. When you are dispensing your glue and glue is building up around the nozzle of the glue, it's probably because you don't have lint-free wipes. And if you are wiping it with something and the glue is, or the item is getting stuck to the glue bottle, that'll help you alleviate some of that. So yeah, y'all, those are all of my favorite products. We have secured the bag and only got primer and adhesive. I am so proud. So y'all, those are my favorite things to get from the Lash Supply. Everything else, like my spoolies, my lip applicators, what else do I buy? Basically anything that isn't lashes, glue, tweezers, I get it from Amazon in bulk. So that is that on that. I'm about to get home. I am currently still on vacation. So it is Friday. I don't start work again until Tuesday. I'm so happy. I said I was gonna go to Subway. What happened to the Subway? The Subway is right there. We're gonna figure lunch out, but y'all, that is that on that for this video. Thank y'all for coming shopping with me at thelashsupply.com. If you have any questions about any of the products that I use, how to use them, why I like them, whatever, drop them in the comments. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you are in the community and in the know about all things I'm sharing about lashes. Turn on your bell notification button so that you can get an alert when I share new valuable content and be the first one to get on it. And then don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel grow, and I appreciate y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.